Hello, welcome to Political Science 101. I am Professor Harper. Thank you for joining me this evening. As you may know, the last week or so has been an interesting go of things for America. A week ago, a Florida jury passed a verdict, finding George Zimmerman not guilty of the murder of Trayvon Martin. President Obama responded by urging citizens to honor the verdict. Some of you may have some questions as to why such a thing would happen in a supposedly progressive and non-racial 21st century America. Obama himself has said that the public should do, as he calls it, soul-searching. The fact is, folks, racism is still alive and well in the United States today, and the reaction by various conservatives and Zimmerman supporters illustrates this. Whether or not you believe Zimmerman's pursuit of Trayvon Martin was racially based, the jokes and racist comments seen on the internet by racist conservatives is appalling. It is equally appalling to see an accomplished person such as conservative commentator Larry Elder insult Rachel Jeantel and deny that racism exists in America today. Is considering that he has almost certainly experienced racism in his own life. I really thought that we were past this kind of anger and hate, but the division spouted by last week's verdict has proven otherwise. Folks, it is up to you to help make amends to the problems of racism and gun violence in America today. Conservative commentators like to believe that the Zimmerman-Martin confrontation was colorblind. But I am hard-pressed to believe that he would have followed a white kid wearing a hoodie in the same fashion. I am hard-pressed to believe he would have found someone who looks more like myself suspicious. I am equally hard-pressed to believe that Zimmerman would have acted so boldly had he not been carrying a firearm that fateful night. However you want to see this situation, Zimmerman had a prior record of violent disposition, to the point where he was reprimanded even as a bouncer. That says something. He should have not been allowed to own a firearm. Folks, it's up to you to make amends. Write a letter or email to the United States Department of Justice and ask them to do the right thing. Together, we can achieve justice for Trayvon Martin and justice for the civil rights of all Americans. I'm Professor Harper. Thank you for watching. Good evening.